Hi there, students. Qualms. A qualm. We normally use qualm in the plural, qualms. Qualms are doubts, apprehensions, misgivings, a little moral scruple when your conscience starts pricking you. So I had qualms about eating the rather mouldy looking fruit that they offered me. I had misgivings about it. I had doubts. I didn't feel good about it. The child had no qualms in playing truant from school. So he didn't feel any easiness, any compunction about doing it. So if you have qualms about doing something, you're not completely sure that your course of action is right. Qualms are this uneasy feeling about the rightness of a course of action that you're taking. I think banks have no qualms in repossessing your house if you don't pay your mortgage. I had a lot of qualms about signing the document that they asked me to sign. So pangs of conscience, fears, uneasiness. Notice it's very common to use the phrase have no qualms about doing something, have no qualms in doing something. So if my family is starving and I have no money, then I have no qualms in stealing. I don't think it's stealing as long as I'm stealing food, because it's something that's necessary. I would have no qualms in doing this again. So I wouldn't feel bad about it. I'd know I was doing the right thing. Okay, this word qualms probably comes from Old English, quain, meaning pain, and it probably has a Germanic root. So what things do you have qualms about doing? We all have qualms about doing different things because we're not sure they're right. I had a lot of qualms about reporting my friend to the police for the theft that he had committed. Okay, so qualms. Now, what about formality? I think probably this is slightly formal, maybe a 6 out of 10. But I think you could use this in an informal conversation. I would have no qualms in using this phrase in a conversation down the pub. I think you could use it in a formal document or a formal situation without any problem as well. So I would have no qualms in using it in either informally or formally. The word sounds a bit literary, but it's certainly a good word. I recommend you use it instead of doubts, fears, uneasiness, scruples, something like that. Okay? So, qualms. Slightly formal, but you can use it anywhere, meaning a feeling of uneasiness, doubts about the rightness of what you're doing, if it really is the right and moral thing to do. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Qualms. To have no qualms about doing something.